ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಅತಿದೊಡ್ಡ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲೊಂದಾದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶಾಲೆಗಳು ಜಕ್ಕೂರು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ನ ಅಬಿಸು ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ನಿವಲ್ 2026 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಭವ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆರವೇರಿದವು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ 32 ಶಾಖೆಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆ, ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉಜ್ವಲಗೊಳಿಸಿದರು. ರೆಡ್ ಬಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಹಾಗೂ ದೂರದೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಫಣೀಂದ್ರ ಸಾಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ಶ್ಲಾಘಿಸಿದರು ಹಾಗೂ ಉದ್ಯಮಶೀಲ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂತೆ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿಸಿದರು. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 2ರಿಂದ ನಡೆದ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ನಿವಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಿನಾಲೆ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಯಿತು. ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಲೇಖಕಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರಚನಾ ಚಾಬ್ರಿಯಾ ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂವಾದ ನಡೆಸಿ ಓದಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಾಸಕ್ತಿ, ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಗಳು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದವು. ಶ್ರೀ ಫಣೀಂದ್ರ ಸಾಮಾ ಅವರು ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಿಕ ಉಪಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಸೂಚಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಡಾ. ಸಿಂಧೂರ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪೆಂಗೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಪುರ್ನೇತ್ ಕಟಾಪ ಅವರು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪಠ್ಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಾಚೆಗೆ ಯೋಚಿಸಿ ಸೃಜನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಿಸುವ ಕಲಿಕಾ ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವುದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಗುರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಜ ಜೀವನದ ಸವಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸೋ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕ ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಅವರು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಪಟ್ಟರು. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಫಿನಾಲೆ 2026ರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆ, ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿ ನೆರೆದ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾಯಿತು.
I'm Rachna Chabria, a children's author. I have 20 books that have been published and 9 more coming out this year. I write across genres from fiction, non-fiction, from picture books to middle grade and also an adult novel. I'm also a columnist and in some past life I was a teacher for 5 years. I taught creative writing to students. So I have been on both ends of the spectrum, a student as well as a teacher. So I do know how a child's mind works. And also my best ability is psychology identity, which helps me assess the situation very well. Because of the psychology, I can easily understand the mind of a child or anybody's mind and reactions. The grand finale of this reading carnival by the Narayana Group of Schools is a wonderful initiative where the reading habit is inculcated from UKG. That means from the age of 5. The initial years of a child's development are very crucial in building any habit, and if a child is nurtured and encouraged to read, nothing like it, and that habit goes on till the age of 50 or 60 when they leave school. So this is a wonderful endeavor by Narayana School to have a reading carnival which extends for 1 whole year. Imagine 365 days of reading, 365 days with books and 365 days with stories. What we think of book sales. So you also at the end of the day, there's also a greed like, book sales, somewhere along my books will be bought. This is a brilliant encouragement for writers. More and more, if more and more schools have reading carnivals, then the entire publishing industry will thrive very well. Because reading carnival means books. Books means book sales. And book sales means authors are benefiting from it. So this is a very good thing for students, authors as well as publishers.
Okay, thank you. Phanindra Sama, I'm one of the founders of Red Bus, and today, since morning, I've been spending time with all the exhibits and all the wonderful children here. It's amazing to see their enthusiasm, confidence and creativity. Really loved what they're doing. I mean, they're in 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th grade, and they're already thinking about saving our planet. They have business plans to solve our problems, and the students who are talking here, who are speaking here for the speaking competition, right? I mean, I could not speak like that even in my college, right? So it's an amazing, I think, opportunity. congratulate Narayana Group for facilitating this, because this is not inside the curriculum. Of course, I think because of NEP it will get into the curriculum, but though you didn't have an obligation to do all this, I mean, you've done this, dedicated 27 classes in a year, right? And I was also curious, I was asking the students if they are charged extra for these classes, because what I learned is all these classes are taken by faculty who are outside, which is outside the school, which means it's an expense for you. And I was asking them if it is a business model where typically in schools, right? I mean, you get a robotics class and then you charge extra to the students and then pass on some and retain some. But I'm very happy to learn that actually students are not charged extra for this. I mean, it's within their student fee. It speaks a lot about the intent, genuine intent of doing it. And I think Bangalore, thanks for starting in Bangalore. Bangalore needs it, and this is the vibe of Bangalore, right? Where kids, right? I mean, from 6th grade, they talk about startups. Most likely, their parents are working in a startup. It's a buzzword in Bangalore, and I'm very happy that the schools here are getting up for that. It really is warms up my heart. I'm very happy and have a good luck here.
Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you so much for coming. I am Dr. Sindhura Narayana, Director, Narayana Education Institutions. Today we have gathered here in order to celebrate two very important events. One, we have culmination of the club activities that we are conducting for primary as well as high school students in all the 30 plus schools of Narayana Group in Bangalore. And number two, we also have reading program as a reading carnival, which ma'am has just explained, and we are going to witness that in the afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank both the chief guests, Mr. Sama, as well as ma'am, for agreeing to come and witness the event. This is something we have done in the last minute, but I'm so glad they have agreed to raise the occasion. Just to let you know, I think there's a big question running in all our minds, because there are so many changes that are happening in the world, that what is going to be the future of the children. What they learn today from the books may not be something that they would apply as is, like in our generation, right? In the future generation, which is maybe Gen Alpha or even Gen Zs, they may or may not get to phonetics. For slightly older sections, in addition to reading, we have also introduced reading and writing. And for slightly older sections, that is high school sections, in addition to reading and writing, we have taught them how to emote. So using these three parts, putting all these three things together, you will see the afternoon session where the students would come and display their talent, and it's a fun thing to watch for us, but for them it's a great opportunity. And I'm sure this little initiative of what we have started this year will go a long way, and these kids who are representing 30 plus schools in Bangalore, all the way from south, that is HSR, Bellandur, JP Nagar to central part of Bangalore, like Ramurthy Nagar, Kalidhaspura, to northern part of Bangalore, like Saka Nagar, from all the parts. They are going to mesmerize you. I hope you stay and you enjoy the show. Thank you so much for coming and encouraging these little minds. And I wish all the organizers, that is the R&D members, the people who have worked behind the scenes, that is the non-academic members, the vendors, the teachers, principals, academic deans, everyone for making this happen. Thank you so much, and I wish the students all the very best. Thank you.